Everybody, how's it going? After some delay, I'm continuing sharing my learning processes of solidity. Actually, I was kind of busy that I couldn't find time to record some videos. So here we are in this third lesson. We're learning again about the variables, elementary variables, second section. So we have three more variables that we're learning now. As you see over here, we have address variable. It's a kind of variable is specifically for solidity, and none of the other languages, coding languages have that. We have the regular address that we can define a valid with a specific address that should be a specific number. It's not like something random that you can use. It will not be acceptable. And the second type is called payable address. You see this payable type of the variable over here. So we will talk more about it in the future. It's a kind of address we'll be using for payment. And as you see here, for this address, I will just cut this. So just look here, they normally start with 0 and x, and if you use some random numbers, it will not be acceptable and you see error, but it should be a specific kind and type of valid address. And the second variable is string. I think maybe most of those who know about the coding are familiar with. Is something common in all the languages. So with the strings will be defined in a double quotation, and you can put different things in the double quotation, like words, like numbers, or even valid address, or everything can be put in a string variable. And also we have bytes variable that it can be defined like same as a string, but the difference is byte variable are a kind of variable that will change what we are typing here into a actually kind of readable type for computer. As you see here, when we deploy this contract and we go to the name2 is the byte variable. When we click on it, as you see, we put some on, but here it gives us the output is a hexadecimal type. Hexadecimal language is the byte variable byte. So as you see here, it changed our variable into a hexadecimal language. So this is the three type of variables that we'll be using in our solidity coding process.